Hey everybody, so I decided to build a mountain out of foam, and I used dry dex putty to cover the seams after I hot glued all the pieces together. Got some rocks from outside and covered all the gaps. Then I went ahead and painted it all gray and then highlighted it in white. I left the top not overly painted. Added some white glue, and then I did some ground cover. Added some trees, and look at the finished product. Like the way it came out, and added that little Land Rover and my photographer. It's modular. Here it is on the layout. Completed the top, added some lights, and came out really nice. I really like the way this area came out. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. I didn't want to make a complete mountains with cover the trains. I wanted to give it that open look. I really like the way it came out. And here I'll take you around the layout so you can see a better view of it. It really looks nice. I moved the farm. If you remember, I used to have a farm in that area. I moved it over. You'll see it at the end of the video. Well, you might think that I'm completely done with it. You're never really done. You're always thinking about new ideas, getting inspiration from other people's layouts, seeing their techniques. That's what's fun about this hobby. You learn so much from other people. And I have. And you'll see here where I put the farm in this little corner. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little update. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.